This morning on Roadtrippin with WBZ, we are heading out west.
Yes, with all the rain we've seen on the weekends, there is a big need to find fun activities for the family inside. And WBZ's Jacob Wyckoff has the perfect place.
The weather in New England is always changing, but I know a place that the weather is constant and the fun is never ending. Today, WBZ is road tripping to Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf Lodge is, I call it a cruise ship on land. We are a resort water park with attractions, with slides, with games, anything that you want to do, anything that the family wants to do.
From the moment you step in, the action starts. Dance parties, sing-alongs, yoga in the lobby. It's all designed to bring families together.
We want you to come here for a carefree experience. When you come in, we want you to leave the world on the outside, spend time with your family.
That's the cavalry.
So this is the Great Forest Friend Show. Okay. So it is an animatronic show that features some of the characters from here at Great Wolf. They come in, they sing songs to the children.
But if you're craving adventure, the Howler's Peak Ropes Course takes it to whole new heights.
This is a 2-story ropes course with all of the climbing structures and things to challenge our adventurous folks that come here, the adventurous pups that we have.
Are you scared or not scared? Scared.
If you get a little scared or you need some help, there's always someone up there that is able to help you.
But if you can face your fear...
Good job, buddy! Conquering all your fears today.
Yep, even the grown-ups get to be kids again.
Frankie, you having fun?
We say, you shouldn't be in the water all the time.
Sure.
You need to take some breaks, and when you take some breaks, come up and climb.
And when it's time to come back down to earth, there's a hands-on treasure hunt straight out of the Old West.
You put it in the water, and you slush it back and forth, and then you see what kind of rocks you get.
Crystal Point, amethyst. This is how they used to find gold back in the day.
But no visit is complete without diving into the main event.
Oh man, it is 68,000 square feet of water park fun.
It's summer year-round at Great Wolf Lodge.
It is always 84 degrees in this water park.
From towering splash buckets to body-twisting slides, there's something around every corner to keep the energy high. Great Wolf Lodge just completed their multi-million-dollar renovation to their Otter Cave, including some fast new slides. But for a true test of courage, meet the park's most iconic ride, the Howling Tornado.
We have the Howling Tornado, which is a big funnel slide. You see that as you come up Route 2. It's a big funnel. Folks go into the tunnel. You scream. You hear lots of screams in there. And it's a little scary when you first do it, but after you do it the first time, everybody goes up and does it again.
Oh my God. So whether it's a one-night splash or a full family escape, Great Wolf Lodge is where the laughs are loud, the slides are fast, and the memories last long after your hair's dry.
They leave refreshed and feeling together as a family, but they also leave a little wore out, and I think we do our jobs at that point.
For sure.
In Fitchburg, Jacob Wyckoff, WBZ News.
That was such a fun time. My kids were exhausted, by the way.
They look like they had a blast.
So if you want to tire your kids out, go on this trip.
Do that, absolutely. And it's so true that, sometimes we enjoy our nice summers, but when the weather turns bad, we all look for things to do. Right in our neighborhood, not far away in Fitchburg, you can head up Route 2 and go to Great Wolf Lodge.
It was so much fun.
I didn't know that they had things separate from like the water activities.
Me neither.
So that's really cool.
Like Alex said, it's a cruise ship on land.
Yeah.
And I want to give a special shout out, Alex, the GM, and the assistant GM, Derek. They were phenomenal hosts to the family. So well done to all of them.
I want to go now.
I want to go
Let's
too.
go.
The good news is